Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Prime Video stuck on loading screen. If the Prime Video stuck on loading screen, first you want to ensure your internet is stable. So always want to make sure to check your internet connection. So swipe down and go to the network connections. And here, if you see any sort of issue, then you want to make sure to restart your connection. That could be able to fix. So likewise, the other thing what you also want to do is you could also try cleaning your cache as well as cookies. So if you have a Prime Video installed to your device, then you want to open up your settings, and as you go to settings, you want to come to the apps section. Here you want to go ahead and click on see all apps, after which locate Prime Video and go ahead and click on that. And here you want to come to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete your DDoS. So if you're sure about it, then only do it so. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. However, if the issue still persists on, you could also try checking for your software update. So what you want to do is you could just go ahead and open up your device's settings once again and come to settings or system, and there you have the software update. If you see any sort of update available, you want to make sure to try that as well. Despite all that, if nothing works out, then you also want to make sure to reinstall the application and restart your device at the same time. That is going to help you out to fix the issue. So these are some of the things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.